Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another quick update. In my last video I showed off my display base for my X-Transbots monolith. I really liked how that turned out, and after spending some time with it in my collection, it gave me some inspiration, and so I decided to take that same idea and approach and apply it to my other set of Stunticons. The only difference is that I'm making a base for each figure this time. My plan is to display one set in combined form and the other as individual bots, so just planning ahead long term, I wanted to do something that would be flexible because my ultimate plan is to display both sets together as one big diorama. So by doing it this way, I can display what I have now in my detofs, but I'm also set up for later when I decide to change things up. I'm not going to spend too much time in this video showing you how I make these. For a more in-depth look, I would go check out my other video. I'll post a link right here. I basically followed the same steps, just this time I'm creating smaller bases for each individual character. The only thing new this time around are these little pieces of broken pipe that I decided to add for extra added detail. They are made out of polystyrene tubing that I had. They're pretty straightforward. You just roughly cut one end to make it look like it's broken and jagged, and just take that and just stab it into the foam. The one thing I wanted to keep in mind is, as I'm working on these, is that I wanted a lot of variations in height. Since these are essentially acting as risers, I wanted to make sure that some were taller and some were shorter, so they can actually be effective. Eventually, when I finally get the final member of the set, I'll have to readjust my display. I'll either have to build an additional piece, or I'll see if I can actually squeeze them in somewhere. We'll see, but for now I'm liking how these guys are looking. Anyway, I just wanted to share where I am with these guys. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe for more content. Till next time.